Hello, today we'll be looking at the Stahlwille 17F-12 ratcheting combination wrench set. This Stahlwille ratcheting combination wrench set is 12 pieces consisting of an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 millimeter, all coming in this nice canvas roll-up bag which secures with Velcro. This 12-piece wrench set is a flat flip-over style ratcheting wrench. Like other Stahlwille wrenches, they feature the I-beam technology that gives a thinner profile and more strength to the handle of the wrench. Open end has a 15-degree offset as expected from most combination wrenches. These wrenches feature a fine 72-tooth mechanism for getting into very tight and confined areas. These wrenches would make a fine addition to anyone's tool set. If you'd like to get your own, contact Handtools from Germany today.